Jalup jatend Kenya Rigathi Gachagua oseyo mano ma owacho ni sirikal ma en eiye tiyo kod jochiw arita e yo ma ok odhi kare. Gachagua wacho ni obila mag okwach kich itiyo godo e sando kata monjo ji ma obila gi sirikal kata ma obalo kod sirikal yore mag siasa ka oloso e kanisa mar ACK St. Patrick's Kayole e bure Nairobi ka. Gachagua wacho ni jogo masire lwedo osebed ka iluwo kendo isando gi jochiw arita kwe maturka.
And I would like to ask our security officers from the DCI, please don't take us back to where we came from. The use of the criminal justice system to manage politics made the fourth administration very unpopular. It doesn't make sense to harass Gakuya and Major Dong for no reason because of politics. Arresting them, confiscating their phones, intimidating them. Those things imepitwa na wakati. I want to ask our investigative agencies to be professional. Mimi naambia viongozi sikizeni ground, wanasema ati mimi nawatisha. Na mimi nikuambia tu ukweli kwa sababu mimi ni mzee na ni kiongozi. Nakuambia hawa msiposikiza ground mtakosana na wenye kuandika nyinyi kazi na watamfukuza. Hiyo ni kuambia ukweli ama ni kuwatisha? Tuendelee kuambia